In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a new up-and-coming Redbubble product that could potentially allow you guys to make a lot of money in the near future. And I'm also going to be bringing you the third installment of Q&A Sunday, where I answer your Redbubble questions. Now, if you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells. We've helped a lot of people make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. If you're someone who's out there looking for extra information, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that features all the information I used when I first started. However, if you want to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Now, as for today, I'm going to be going through your Redbubble questions. These are questions you left on my last Q&A Sunday video. So if you're new or if you've watched my other videos and you've not seen me answer a certain question, feel free to leave it down in the comment section and I'll read through as many as I can to potentially get them in one of these videos. As for the new product Redbubble is releasing, it is a cap. It's not just one cap, it's two caps, but I'll go on to talk about that, so make sure to watch up until the end. The first question is coming in from Carmen. Carmen is saying, I use Google Analytics. I live in Turkey and my shop is only viewed by people in my own country. I wonder why that is happening and is it normal? I opened my shop a week ago. Now I've got a few ideas as for why this may be happening. The main reason I feel like it could be happening is due to the fact that because your shop is still new, the main traffic you're getting is either from yourself or from your friends that you may be sharing your shop with that are in your country. Another reason could be you may be making designs on things that are popular in Turkey or things that the Turkish market would most likely be searching for, hence why your only traffic will be coming in from Turkey. And if you're looking to get traffic obviously from other places, that's when you need to start looking into trending niches, evergreen designs, and you notice over time your traffic will start to come from a variation of places. Your shop is still new, don't worry about it too much, keep working on your designs, and yes, the traffic will come from different places. So as for now, see it as something normal, nothing to stress about too much. Now on to the next question. We have Razel or Razel, I'm not sure how I would pronounce that. It's gone on to say here, I have 1,500 plus designs and I get barely 10 sales monthly. After 3 years of struggling in print on demand, I think it's a waste of time. This is beyond my understanding. And how are the best sellers actually making money from this site? Now, I've actually got a few suggestions as to why I think some of the best sellers are making money and obviously how I'm making money from this site. And I hope from these suggestions you can take them on, apply them, and use them for your shop. You have 1,500 plus designs. What you need to be doing here is seeing what is working best for you, what is actually bringing you sales, what is actually getting you favorites, and you need to make more of that. The way I go about doing this is I look at what's getting the sales in terms of designs. So I look at the designs and I figure what niche that is and why that niche is doing well. And then I look at the products as well to see which products are actually doing well. And then when I go on to make more designs, I base it off that knowledge. So for example, if I'm selling greetings cards, a lot of my designs, the front product image that is maybe a greetings card. So that allows me to take advantage of the fact that that product is doing well. And let's say I have a design selling in the dog niche. I then know, okay, I need to make more designs in the dog niche. It's about working smart, not working hard, because you can make 10,000 designs where you've not really thought about it and just made designs and get maybe 20 sales. But if you make 10,000 designs that are based off the data that you're getting, trust me, Redbubble could get to a point where it's pretty much your full-time job. So next up, we have Rizmi. Rizmi saying, can I use the name of a place, river or state from the US on my designs? When I checked in USPTO, it shows that the intended name copyright was dead. Right, so Rizmi is saying here, can I use obviously the names of certain locations in my designs? Now, the answer for this one is yes and no. For those who don't know, USPTO is a website that allows you to trademark check. So my advice would be always make sure that you're obviously trademark checking before you use a location. For the most part, it will be okay, but you want to double check. I should have actually mentioned this in my location based design video that I made in the past week. If you've not watched it, check it out. It is very useful. Nevertheless, if a certain location does have a trademark on it, check to see if that trademark is for clothing based items. If it's not, or if it's dead, you should be okay to actually cover those locations on your products and your designs. So yeah, just bear that in mind. So yes, trademark check, make sure that with the trademarks it's not on clothing, and you should be good to go. On to the next question. We have Abdul bringing us a big question here, which I'm going to go into depth on a little bit. And Abdul went on to say, does anyone know that Redbubble added 2 new products, baseball cap and dad hat, but it doesn't show while setting products? So I'm guessing Abdul's wondering obviously why people can't see these products when you're setting them up. The main reason is because they are not active yet. As you can see, Redbubble has them stated as coming soon. Coming soon means obviously they're not here yet. The 2 products, obviously, as he mentioned, are the baseball cap and the dad hat. This is a game changer in a very, very big way. And the main reason I say this is because I went through an experience of, new products getting implemented into Redbubble, and that experience gave me a big boost in sales. And this happened when they added things in like masks, there was like a big intake in sales. And with summer coming up, I feel like this is going to be a very, very similar situation when it comes to the caps. Now, what you guys need to do to kind of prepare yourself for this is to make designs that you feel will look good on hats or that will work good in the hat niches. Now, because it's a new product, even the people that show up on the first page of, let's say, funny niches, cat niches, doctor niches, stuff like that, those people won't have this product activated automatically. It needs to be activated. So you want to do your research now to look into the bigger niches to see where you can fit in, maybe with funny phrases that will look cool on a hat. As soon as they're released, if you're one of the first people to get them out there, you see a big rush in traffic and sales, which could allow you to become obviously a market leader when it comes to selling hats through Redbubble. This is something I did through masks. Some of those masks are still selling through this day. So yeah, I wanted to kind of go a bit more in depth about this because a lot of people don't understand how much of a big opportunity it is whenever Redbubble release new products. I know I've talked on this a little bit too much, but what I'm gonna do when they do actually then release the hats, I'm gonna make a full video going in depth and ways you guys can maybe jump into different niches and that sort of thing. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe so you don't go on to miss that video when I do make it. It's going to be a big one, and I am very, very happy that obviously they're bringing in a new product. I'm going to be on my shops making sure I have hats ready, so I'm ending up on the first pages of some of the bigger niches, and I would suggest that you guys do the same. Anyways, moving us to our next question, we have Jenna saying, what suggestions do you have if you don't feel like you can rely on favorites to create more designs? I do design for trends and smaller niches. Thank you for your time. And just to preface, Jenna was saying that a lot of the favorites that are coming in on her shop most likely are coming from other Redbubble shops. She doesn't have specific products with way more favorites than others, so she doesn't feel like she can rely on that information. Now, in this instance, all you can do is really rely on sales. So if you're not yet getting sales, the best way to allow you to get there quickly is to keep designing for small niches, and most importantly, small niches that are covering things that are trending right now. If you have no sales, you don't want to yet start focusing on evergreen designs. You want the things that are trending to boost your shop forward. By boosting your shop forward, when you start to get sales, Redbubble will pick it up and it will start to advertise more. And then you can actually get information from which designs are getting the most sales and work from that. But yeah, what you're doing at the moment is the right thing. But rather than just designing for small niches without any sort of traction or people looking for them, make sure that they're somewhat trending. It most definitely is a game changer, and it'll allow you to get to a point where you're getting sales a lot quicker as well. Next up, we have Dragon here pretty much saying, is it possible to see what items your design people liked? So I think they're trying to say, is it possible to see which products your design was liked on rather than just seeing which design was liked? Now, at this moment in time, it's not possible on Redbubble to see what products people liked. You can only see what product people have purchased, and then obviously the design alongside that. So it's nothing they can do at the moment, but hopefully in the future they can fix that. I think I actually replied to this comment when this person left it, but I've edited it within this video mainly because I feel it will help people that may have a similar question. Next up, we have Jonathan saying, should I push to 300 designs? Currently I have 16 sales with 240 designs. Answer to that is yes. Remember, don't just work hard to get to those 300 designs. Work smart. Have a look at your designs that have sold. Ask yourself why you think they have sold, why you think the niches of the things that have sold are doing well, and how you can implement those niches more. That information will allow you to work smart when you're creating the 60 designs you need to get to 300. And I will show you that if you do that, you probably get a lot more than 16 sales on your way to 300 designs as well. So that's something to bear in mind. Next up, we have ourselves Nij saying, I have over 450 designs and a few sales, but the sales have come to a grinding halt. I seem to be selling mostly blankets and stickers. Firstly, I want to say thank you for actually telling me which products you're selling, because that is actually something that can help you understand your shop a lot better. Now, through you telling me that, what I would say is look to see which blankets are selling, which stickers are selling. Make similar designs, maybe in similar niches or other niches, that look nicer on the blankets, nicer on stickers, and then make sure you're making stickers and blankets your front product images. I say that because it's something that's currently already working, so you need to scale that. So instead of selling a few blankets and a few stickers, you then start selling a lot of blankets and a lot of stickers, if you know what I mean. It most definitely is something that will allow you to increase your sales, and yeah, you should start to see an uprise in consistent weekly and potentially daily sales after that as well. And yeah, guys, I think I'm going to leave the video here. If you enjoy this, please do make sure to drop a like, drop your questions down in the comments if you have more. And if you've made it to this point of the video, comment down no cap, because when these caps are released, it's going to be a game changer. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.